No blanket.
Sorry.
What do you see in that mirror?
I see a boss inward.
Wait, say my deepest fears.
My deepest fear.
I will vanquish your fears.
I like that mirror. Here, wait. I'll go. Oh shit.
No.
I have vanquished Ty's fear. Ty, you need not be afraid any longer. Do you understand?
What do you see?
Now, eat these beans.
I'm good. I'll eat it.
I vanquished your deepest fears and you won't eat a bowl of beans for me? That doesn't sound very fair.
No, it doesn't.
We love you, TJ. You got some
Shield your eyes.
prizes.
Shield your eyes.
Yeah!
Thank you.
That was my thing! Destruction.
Wow. Dude.
I'm here for
Huh?
Oh, okay. Uh-oh. What happened? Yeah, I know.
What do you see in the refrigerator door, Kaylee?
coffee syrup.
Say your deepest fears.
Oh, my.
I will vanquish your deepest fears.
Yeah! They're gone!
Not quite yet.
Almost.
Not quite yet,
I
sweetie
still see a
pie.
few things.
Not yet, sweetheart.
They're almost gone! Oh boy, they're almost gone! I don't think it's coming off. My deepest fears are nearly gone. I feel them slipping away. I know. Go inside the fridge.
Fuck y'all, cool smash shit, YEAAAAAH, Judge, we love Judge.
Why do you like breaking shit so much, Judge?
Oh my god.
I love it here. The judge is taking away my deepest fears. It's okay. The door never closed anyway.
Judge, I'm feeling crunch here emanating from the dishwasher.
Hell yeah! No more fears! Yep. Hell yeah! I hope all this still goes back.
Shinji, what do you see in the pattern of this wallpaper?
It's disgusting.
Say your deepest fears.
Deepest fear.
Ah!
Let's go!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Fear no more, Shinji.
Yeah, thank you. But still, it's disgusting. Yeah?
How do you feel, Shinji?
Yeah, feel better, but we need more. We need more.
You need more, Shinji?
Yeah.
To feel safe?
Yes, yeah. I'm still scared.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Thank you.
Oh, that hurt. Ah. Ow. 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 Ow.
Nice.
Please, no.
Yeah.
Please, no. Please give it back. Please give it back. Thank you.
He does that. You should jump into that.
Nice. Dangerous.
I don't want to upset the fish, actually.
That's true. Fish like that.
No. Ty, what do you see when you look at this Xbox?
Oh man!
On this monitor?
I don't see it at all. Like, it doesn't exist in my mind. I've never heard of
TJ,
it.
what do you see when you look at this monitor?
My deepest fears.
No more.
But why?
Friend, shield your eyes.
Yeah! Hey, man. Yeah!
Lovely.
Fear no more.
Thank you.
The fears are gone.
I'm safe.
I feel so safe.
What are you seeing with these?
Yeah, disgusting.
Fear no more.
Here's us two.
Yeah.
My work here is done.
Done yet? You're gonna
Yes,
the
ma'am.
fears are gone.
Give me thank you all night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I feel good now.
I don't fear anything now.
I have no fear.
My deepest
Daniel has
fears
so much to clean now.
are gone.
I see. Wow.
Check out Hobo Joe 421. Thank you. Big Smitty, thank you for the recommendations out here. Free Alpha.